So we're going to talk about the human vocal tract, which is basically a set of organs that we use to produce our voices. And the whole process starts with the diaphragm, which is the organ that is in charge of moving the lungs, because they cannot move themselves. However, when the diaphragm moves, the lungs get expanded or compressed, which allows us to exchange fresh oxygen and to expel our CO2. However, this also generates air pressure, which can go up, down our tracheas, where it can actually be influenced by our vocal cords, which are the parts of the pharynx that allows us to close and open this space, which is called the glottis, which is protected by the epiglottis that allows us to swallow without food going down our throats. So after the lungs, our air goes up the trachea, up the larynx, and up the pharynx, and it's ultimately expelled through our oral and nasal cavities. Up to that point, the air is unobstructed or mostly unobstructed. However, it can be affected by the way we use our points of articulation, which are basically these parts of our mouths, our lips, teeth, tongue, palates, which are basically creating obstructions. So, depending on how we set up these articulation points, we can actually produce the different sounds that we need for our speech. So, we have up here our lips, our tongue, which is divided in three parts, has a tip, a blade, and a back. We also have the uvula, which is the lowest end of the soft palate or balum, and we have also at the top our alveolar ridge, which is that protuberance behind our upper teeth. So, in conjunction, when they are used together to direct or control the air pressure that comes from the lungs, that's how we use our vocal tract to produce our voice.